Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at two different mechanical pencils. The Pentel GraphGear 1000 and the GraphGear 500. And these are just kind of... There's a difference in cost, first of all. The 500 is about $6 and the 1000 runs about $10. And the bigger differences are... this one, the 500, has a plastic body, and the end is metal, but that's about it. The GraphGear 1000, it's all metal, and it's a bit heavier of a pen, of a pencil. Let me show you. Now, the Pentel GraphGear 1000, and these are both 0.5 millimeter lead. Now, for this one, it has kind of an interesting thing. If you look right here on the end, when you push in on the clip, the end pops in, like so. It basically retracts the tip, and that way you don't have the long metal tip sticking out in your pocket. And in order to release it, in order to basically retract it, you just push in the clip right here, and it retracts it. I generally don't like anything that has to do with using the clip as a retraction mechanism, but this one isn't too bad. And the pencil's comfortable. I mean, it's a very comfortable pencil to hold. Now the 500, it's kind of a more bare bones thing. And it's also, this one is also a 0.5 millimeter. And I think the big difference is it's just really the cost of manufacture more than anything else. This one, it's a little bit. This one, the GraphGear 1000, it's, I mean, you can tell from the size comparison, it's a little bit bigger of a pencil, and it's definitely a bit heavier. And I can tell you from holding it, I prefer the 1000 just because I think I like the weight better. It just feels better in my hand. And this could easily, though, I mean, it's one of those things, like, it could be a preference more than anything else, where, like, what feels comfortable for you. Like, for example, with this one, there's much more weight concentrated in the front because of the plastic body from pretty much here back. So, you know, it's overall much lighter than the 1000. I don't know. They're kind of interesting. I mean, the GraphGear 1000 is definitely a cool looking pen. The clip thing might actually grow on me given time. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is anything related to the clip terrible for, like, deploying the pen or pencil? Or are there sometimes exceptions to that rule? I don't know. If there is an exception, this might be it. It's a pretty comfortable pencil. Okay, here's the problem with these two. This one's about $6. This one's about $10. I think that it feels like there's more than $4 difference between the 500 and the 1000. And I just don't think I would, if I were in the market for one of these, I think I'd spend the extra $4 and get the all-metal one. It just seems kind of like almost a no-brainer. I don't know. What do y'all think? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If y'all have tried these and you like them or you hate them or you think the 500 is great and I was wrong, let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.